I'm ready to interview Pawel Czystaw, sales manager of the Italian company Boato Pack. Pawel, so also this year at Gulfood Manufacturing. So for Boato Pack is a regular appointment.
Yes, it is. Welcome back, Sonia. We are happy to reunite with our existing customers and also looking forward to meet many new customers in this 10th anniversary of Gulfood Manufacturing.
Can you illustrate to our audience which are the main industrial targets?
Okay, our main industrial targets are the food customers. We have plenty of in the area. We want to expand our presence, mainly I would say sauce manufacturer or drink powders manufacturer. We also cover the pharmaceutical, we also cover the chemicals, the cosmetic sectors, but food is our main business.
Did you apply any improvements to your lines?
Yes, we have applied several improvements over the last years. We have focused mainly on a hygienic side of our dosing systems and on running sustainable materials on our all the new machines. When I say hygienic design of our dosing system, I refer to dosing system, especially in the liquid applications, manufactured according to the top American and European guidelines for what concerns hygienic industrial design. For what concerns sustainable materials, our old machines, they can already run sustainable materials with minor modifications, which require very short stops and little investment for customers that want to update to these new green solutions in the field. For what concerns the new machines, the technology is already there. We have always been very focused on sealing temperature, sealing accuracy, and that's where we can, enable us to run higher speeds and worse and more difficult materials, I would say.
We are at the end of the first day at Gulfood Manufacturing. Could you share with us your opinion?
Oh, we are very happy about this edition. It's the 10th anniversary, and we hope there will be at least 10 more, and we would like to be here for the next time for sure.
Okay, so we renew the appointment with Boato Pack and also Pawel Czystaw to the next edition of Gulfood Manufacturing.